Welcome everyone to this Jetpack Compose series. In today's video, we are going to understand the foundation of Jetpack Compose. We will cover what declarative UI is, what the imperative approach means, what the word compose actually means, and finally, what Jetpack Compose is. So let's get started. So first, what is a declarative UI? Declarative UI is a way of building user interface where you describe what is the UI should look like, not how to change it step by step. In a simple words, you say, for this state, the UI should look like this. You don't manually update views. You should describe the final result and system handle the rest. Before declarative UI, Android followed something called the imperative approach. In the imperative approach, you give a step-by-step instruction to the system on how to change the UI. You control everything manually, when to update, how to update, and what to update. Here is a practical example of an imperative approach. First, you find the view using a find view by ID. Then you check a condition whether the user is logged in. And finally, you manually update the text view. If logged in, show a welcome back. If not, show a please log in. You are responsible for every single UI update. This works, but the apps grow, it becomes complex and hard to manage. Now let's look at the same example using a Jetpack Compose. Here, we create a composable function called greeting. We simply describe what should be shown based on the state. If user is logged in, show a welcome back, otherwise show please log in. Notice something important here. There is no text view, no find view by ID, no manual UI updates. When the state change, UI automatically updates. To simplify it even more, you describe what the UI should look like for a given state, and the system updates it automatically when the state changes. This makes code cleaner, easy to maintain, and less error prone. The core idea of declarative UI can be explained in one simple formula. UI equals function of state. This means the UI depends completely on the current state. If the state changes, the UI automatically re-renders. You don't touch the view directly. What does compose mean? Now let's understand the word compose. Compose means to build something by combining smaller parts together. For example, compose music means combining notes. Compose a message means combining words. Compose UI means combining small UI elements. And that's exactly what Jetpack Compose does. You build your UI by combining small reusable functions. So now the big question, what is Jetpack Compose? Jetpack Compose is Android's modern declarative UI toolkit that allows a developer to build native user interface by composing small, reusable functions written in a Kotlin. It is a fully Kotlin-based modern and designed for a faster development. With the Jetpack Compose, you build Android UI by writing a Kotlin function instead of XML layouts. Here is a simple example. We create a function called hello world. We use the composable annotation, and inside it we write a text hello world. That's it. No XML file, no find view by ID, no view binding, and just a function. And that's the power of a compose. And that's it for this video. In the next video, we will go deeper into composable functions and understand how Compose works internally. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.